Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, and this is Jerry. You're watching Jerry Education. So as I've already taught you guys how to make a pairing and how to print it, how to set it up in your laptop, and how to print it the back and front. Now in this video we're going to talk about how to make a booklet. This is going to be a series of video. So this will be the first part where you are going to learn how to design and what is a paragraph style, what is a character style, and inserting numbers and the running header. So let's get into our iPads and I'll show you in detail. Let's go. So as you can see on the screen, I'm currently making a textbook for the kindergarten. The main point is how to set up. Now let's go with a new document. We'll choose A5. If you have different paper size, then you can insert here page width and page height. I prefer A5. Let's go to the margin and bleed. On the inner side we'll give 0.7, that's okay. On the outer side we'll give 0.35. We'll give 0.35 inch, and the top and bottom will give 0.5 inch. 0.5 inch. Why did I set inner margin bigger than outer margin? It's very easy. I'll explain by showing you guys a book. Since this is a book, if you look at here, can you see properly? This is your inner margin, this is your outer margin. Whenever you are printing a pairing or whenever you are printing a booklet, if a book has a spine like thick like this, then you will need to set the inner margin bigger than outer. Okay, but if your book is like this, it's just normal book where you staple in the middle, this is a different, because you don't need to keep lots of margin outside or inside, so just keep it as it is, or 0.5 all around. Okay, but if we want to print a book that has like 100 pages or 200 pages, then we'll have to put more margin in the middle or in the inner than outer. Do you get it? Okay, let's go in the iPad again. Now we have already set the margin. For the bleed part, we do not include the bleed if we are printing by ourselves. If you want this book to print it by someone else, let's say a printing press, then include a bleed. Only 0.25 inch. Remember that one. But since we are printing in our home, we don't need. Now let's scroll down. Master page, keep it as it is. The image placement has two choice: prefer embedded and prefer link. If you prefer link, that means you need to have the picture installed in your iPad or system. And if all of a sudden, if the picture got lost or you delete if you delete accidentally, then there will be like a red marks. Okay, remember that one. So we prefer embedded. That means even if you delete that picture, it doesn't matter. Default master page, keep it as it is. Facing page, yes. Arrange horizontal, yes. Start on right page, yes. If we are creating Japanese book, then we can keep it left side. Okay, since we are creating like a normal English book, right side. Number of pages, keep it at 1, so later on we can add more pages. So in the color format, choose CMYK/8. Why did I choose CMYK? If we want to print it, we choose CMYK. If you want to show it on the devices, let's say a mobile or laptop, but your intention is not to print it, then you can keep it as a RGB. Okay, if your intention is to print, choose CMYK. Transparent background, turn it off, we don't need that one. Now we'll click OK. Okay, now go to pages, click on the arrow, go to master page. Now I'll show you here. This is your inner side, this is your outer side. Now we'll need a text box. On your left side there's a text box, click on that frame tool or text tool. click and drag with your finger. You do not need a pencil, Apple Pencil, right? And keep holding, duplicate that one. We'll just drag here. And upper parts over here at the top, we'll need a running header. Now, usually what we do is we'll keep the running header empty at the beginning, and then at the last, after we have inserted the text, we insert the running header. We make changes in the running header. Since we did not have any text inserted, so just keep it empty. Okay, I'll just drag and keep holding, duplicate, just drag up, and let's zoom in with your two finger. Okay, let's again duplicate this one. Okay, now let's make it small. At the bottom we need a page number here, and with your other finger just hold the toggle button up, keep just again, and then go to right and then click once. This will just keep holding, you do not need to keep holding, right? And drag. Let's make a copy over here. Good. Now turn it off. Now let's go zoom in a little bit here, double tap here. Now on the right side there's a three dot, click on that one, fields, scroll down, there's a page number, double click this one. That's it, this is your page number. Now you can give font for this number. So I'll choose a Tibetan number. If you don't have the Tibetan number font, you can download the link down below. In the description there's a link. Okay, and I'll go to the text tool and then keep it at center. Now I'll click on the right arrow. Now on the hamburger menu or the 3/ menu, we'll detach and delete all style. We do not need the style, we'll just create by ourselves. Alright, now we'll keep holding this one, copy that one, we'll paste it here. Let's zoom in a little bit and click on here, go to your selection tool or move tool. Now there's at the right side there's a triangle, click on that one and click other side. This will link, so this will auto flow all the text when you insert the text. Let's go to the body page. Let's go to the body page. Now remember, whenever we are creating a book, the first page is like a cover page or inside the cover page. So we'll keep this empty, keep holding and clear masters. All right, now we'll give one cover, another one, this one is empty, we'll keep this empty. This one will give like a name, okay, or a copyright or your information. All right, so again click once, this is table content, this one is empty. Now from this you start your master page, keep holding, apply master. Yes, we want to apply master A. Migrate, no, we want to clear it, click OK. Now let's go at the top. At this one, this is your like a cover page where the main cover is not included here. Over here we want the cover page inside or the black and white cover here, and here over here we'll keep this empty. Okay, so the reason is whenever we are printing, the first page and the second page will be like back and front, right? This one is front, this is back, so we want the back page to be empty. Here we'll just say copyright, or if you have some sort of copyright or someone who corrected the mistakes, right, who composed this book, will just give the here, right, acknowledgement, everything over here. Over here we'll say table of content, okay, and here we'll give nothing, we'll keep it empty. Now for this particular book, we will just keep it one table of content. And later if you want 2 or 3 table of content, we can include that one. Okay, now let's zoom in. Over here the page number is starting from page number 6, but we want the page number to start from page number 1. What we have to do is go to section, click on the plus button and section 1, section 2, right? Click on the section 2 where there's an arrow. Now start on page number 4. We want page number start from page number 6. Let's go back till here. You guys got it, right? If you have any sort of doubt, then you can ask in the comment below. I'll try my best to give the answer. Over here we have a paragraph style and the character style. We'll click on the A button, or that's the text tool. Let's zoom in a little bit. Now we'll just drag over here a text box and click here. Now we'll choose Melam Uchen, right, and center it align, and we'll give title Mau Ganaro Go. Now double click or triple click to select all. Now let's go to the size. We want the heading to be like 24, okay, and center align, that's good. We'll give the text new style, click on new. This is like a title or heading, right? So right now return, click return. Over here we'll give Suk, triple tap again, just select all, go to the underline and the slash, there's an arrow, click on that one. Language, click on the language. Typography script, click on that one, and then we want to choose Tibetan so that the words or the vowels will touch the letters. We'll click on the heading, there is a heading, right? So whenever we make changes, there is like an arrow, click on that one, this will update it. Now for the suk means body, so we want to change this one, so this will be like a here, this is justify, click on the arrow, justification option, click on that one. Letter spacing, click on that one, -5 at the beginning, and here 5 only, positive 5, okay. Let's go back and we'll just give it like 18 size, good. And also click on the intent, okay, and the first line of intent we'll just click 158. 8 is good. Let's go back and then click on the arrow and then click on the plus button where it will say okay, choose the style here, right? Create paragraph style. We'll say not a heading, this is soup, okay. Body, heading, yes, no style. Font family, we have Malam Uchen, alright, and regular, yes, 18 points, yeah, good, okay. We'll choose this one, yes. You have to update whenever you are creating a new style. If you create this new style from here, it will base on the style where you have already created. So I prefer create new style from the arrow and then style here, so that we have more freedom. Click on the that's already right, we have already learned that one. Click on the here, okay. Now copy this one, paste it again and again so that it will line it properly. So why I'm copying and pasting it again and again, so that I can make changes in the leading, so this space between the sentence, okay. Now I'll triple tap, okay. I'll just click here and then just hold and drag, okay. Now there's a leading over here where we can change leading, yes. We don't want too much, right? We'll just say 28 is good. We'll select again the update the body. After changing the leading, remember to update the body. Now we have the perfect size, okay. Now we have already created the leading. Now let's make this small size, the superscript in between the line. We'll choose any words and let's go to the text tool and click on the arrow, and then click on the plus button. We'll create a character style, yes. Go to the font family, we want to choose Melam Uchen, and position and transform, click on the position and transform. The super and subscript, click on that one. We'll just go with this superscript, okay. Now we'll just click okay. Now choose the style, yes. We did not give name, small in between. Now the board has shifted in the baseline, right? The baseline has shifted up there. Okay, so we want to change that one. For that, we will click on the bold italic. There's arrow, click on that one, go to position. Okay, remember, go to position. There is a baseline shift. Now we want to minus it so that it will perfectly align with the other words. If you think 1.5, we'll give 1.5. Let's see. Minus 2.5. That's perfect. Yeah. So we have created the words. Now, so over here in the body style, the paragraph style, the body, at the right side there's a arrow again. That means we made some changes in the baseline shape of the character style. So click on the arrow, and then there's a two arrow over here. This one is A, one is like a character. The one is A, one is like a paragraph style symbol. Click on the A to update it. That's it. Okay, now we have created everything. Now for the heading, for the body page, and the small in between, most of the work we have done already finished. Now we can insert the text, we can make changes, we can use the no break tool in the next part, right? So that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, give a thumbs up, and then do subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And if you have a question, you can ask in the comment below. I'll try to reach as soon as I can. I'll see you guys in my next video, where we'll learn how to insert text and how to manipulate the text with the running header. So I'll see you guys in my next video. See you.